Oh my god. Alright. This is not stable.
Curtis, you're gonna be outside getting your jacket.
Dang. This is from when he went bird hunting. If you saw the other video. That's where he did all that. And we can look at him. You can see that right there. This is the most terrifying thing I've ever seen. I can try to squeeze back here a little bit and take a good look. Oh, it's terrifying. This is its skin. Okay, the rest of it. Got the feathers, we got the legs, all the way down.
Forgot about that.
Don't touch any of this. Don't. That is disgusting. Why would you touch?
I don't know.
Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands. Alright, see you guys in the next video. That is gross.